What is up, YouTube? This is Cool Fox over here, and today I am going to do the unboxing of the Razer Kraken Pro. So, let's begin from the outside first. So, it has the name, then it has optimized weight for extended wear, fully retractable microphone, which is this little dot. There it is. And powerful drivers for highest quality audio. So, let's begin from the bottom. So, there is technical specifications and system requirements powered by Razer technology, and then it has these are the same stuff but more in detail. And there are two jacks. So one is for the microphone and one is for the headphone. And it comes with a normal 3.5mm cable. So, if you have a laptop, and it doesn't have these two jacks like this one, right over here, this is the only jack. You need something like this. So, over here it has the two jack. You plug them in and then plug the USB in the laptop. So, now, let's begin the unboxing. So, it's like that. So, you open it from here. So, let's see. Okay. So, let me see. Okay, so there you go. Alright, so open it. So it opens like this. Alright, so it's pretty easy. Let's put that over there for now. Then you have this, welcome to the cult of Razer. You have this. So in Malta it was €8 and it had a 1-year warranty, but I don't know from the outside, like the money and all the other stuff. So, does this have tape? So, let me see. Oh no, it's from here. So, let's see. So, I have to check it out because I don't know how exactly it's supposed to be. So, there it is. Okay. So, it opens up. Like this. Alright, and then the headset over here. So, I think it's attached. Right over here. So, let me see. So, there you go. So, alright, so, and then, yes, there it is. So, yeah, there is the headset. So, this we don't need. So, now, open it from here. So, let me see. So, has a lot of tape. There it is. So, yes. So it's beginning. So there you go. So let's see. Alright, so there you go. So now this has to be opened. Just like that. So let's see. Open it up. Is there tape? Ooh, okay, so found some problems. I think there's the cable over here, but I am not sure. Alright, so yeah, I think this opens up. Yes, there you go. So first we need to get this off. The cable is there, so oh, there you go. It opens up. Right. So out for now. Package at least. Okay, there you go. So there you go. So it comes with this. So sticker, the Razer logo, and then a manual. Which has this and the manual. So now let's get to the headset itself. So you need to open it from here. There we go. Okay, so now there we go. So it is supposed to be lightweight. It is lightweight, but I think it is a little bit heavy, but I am not sure. That's what I think personally. So let's see. This is the cable. You can see over here. So let's see. Okay, so there you go. So like that. So there it is. This is the splitter. I mean, from this it comes to these two. This is the I'm not sure, but one of these is the mic and the other one is the headphone. And let's see how that will put them aside a bit. So this is a normal jack, 2.5mm, and it can be released a bit more. So there you go. Yeah, I think it's good for the size. I mean, it is good, like the length. Yeah, so here's the headset itself. It's comfy and it wiggles around, and here's the microphone. So there you go. It is pretty bendy. So wow, I've never seen something like this. So there's the Razer logo. So there it is.
Ready for use.
Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the Razer Kraken Pros. And as always, subscribe and comment and like. Bye bye.